I think I'll have these.
We were basically just trying to promote gift economy as an example for making change.
Hi, Dan.
Hello!
What's this?
Don't get scared!
Oh my god, you look like a surprise baby.
We were wondering if we could use your amps
Yeah?
generally. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay,
no problem
okay.
at all.
How does the song go if we're all singing? We need to get Dan to join in as well. Good stuff. Well done. How do you feel?
Better.
So our sound check just turned it into the real gig, I guess.
Here's Radler.
Cheers.
So we're in Kirchheim. This is it's a free shop. So you come in and you look on the shelves, and if you like it, I think I'll have these.
Done.
Yeah.
What was your initial idea?
Well, we were basically just trying to promote gift economy as an example for making change.
Not a trace of any doubt. I'm you as you and me as we are one.
Oh, it's very lovely. Very lovely gig.
Start, wasn't it? Start of the set.
Yeah. Gear 1, gig 1, happy to sad, happy 1, sad 0.
It's penis time, it's penis time. It's penis time with Kinch.